Hello friends, I am VM. Today I am going to show you how to check WhatsApp is linked with other device or not. Now I am going to show you how to check. Now tap on three dots, tap on link devices. Now you see my WhatsApp is linked with Google Chrome Windows last active 28 April. Now tap on this Google Chrome Windows option. Now you see there is the option logout. Okay. Now tap on logout or logout your WhatsApp from other device. Okay, now tap on logout. This simple step is useful for logout your WhatsApp with other device. Okay, please don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. That's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.